Most people trying to reduce inflammation focus on things like turmeric or cutting sugar. But there's a tiny food most people have never heard of that might be 10 to 50 times more powerful than broccoli at activating your body's natural anti-inflammatory defenses. And the crazy part? You can grow it on your kitchen counter in less than a week. Today we're talking about broccoli microgreens and why researchers are calling them one of the most powerful functional foods on the planet. Hi, I'm Connor Hebel. I've been growing microgreens for over a decade and have helped thousands of people grow fresh, healthy, and great-tasting food right at home in a way that actually fits real life. Here's the thing most people don't realize. Inflammation isn't just about joint pain or soreness. Chronic inflammation is linked to autoimmune disease, heart diseases, gut disorders, metabolic disease, brain fog, and even cancer development. Your body actually needs inflammation to heal. The problem is when the inflammation switch never turns off. And one of the most powerful ways scientists are learning to control that switch is through something called sulforaphane. Sulforaphane is a plant compound found in cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cabbage, and kale. But here's the crazy part. When broccoli is in its microgreen stage, just a few days after sprouting, the concentration of sulforaphane can be up to 20 to 50 times higher than mature broccoli, which means a tiny handful of these microgreens can activate one of the most important protective pathways in the human body, the NRF2 pathway. And this pathway basically tells your body, turn on your antioxidant defenses. When NRF2 activates, your body starts producing powerful detox and anti-inflammatory compounds like glutathione, often called the body's master antioxidant. When glutathione levels rise, several things happen inside your body. Oxidative stress drops, inflammation signaling decreases, toxin removal improves, and cellular repair speeds up. In simple terms, your body becomes much better at protecting itself. This is why sulforaphane has been studied for things like autoimmune conditions, neurodegenerative diseases, gut inflammation, metabolic health, and even cancer prevention. And the highest natural food source we know of? Broccoli microgreens. There's another reason these tiny greens are interesting. About 70 to 80% of your immune system lives in your gut, and inflammation often starts there. Research shows sulforaphane may help support beneficial gut bacteria, reduce harmful microbes, protect the gut lining, and reduce intestinal inflammation. So instead of just suppressing symptoms, compounds like this may actually help restore balance inside the gut ecosystem, which can have ripple effects throughout the entire body. Broccoli microgreens also contain compounds that support hormone balance, particularly how the body processes estrogen. They contain natural compounds that help the liver detox excess estrogen, which may be helpful for people dealing with hormonal imbalances. And again, this comes back to that same detox system activated by sulforaphane and glutathione. Your body already has powerful detox systems. The key is giving those systems the nutritional signals to turn on. Plants go through stages of growth, and the microgreen stage is when the plant is developing rapidly and producing protective compounds to survive. That means the concentration of nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin K, polyphenols, antioxidant, and phytochemicals is incredibly dense compared to the fully grown vegetable, which is why these tiny greens are often called nutritional powerhouses. And here's the coolest part. You don't need a garden. You don't even need soil. Broccoli microgreens or sprouts can be grown in a small tray on your kitchen counter. They're ready in about 4 to 7 days, which means you can literally grow one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet in your own home for a few dollars. And once you start, it becomes a ridiculously easy habit. The easiest way to use microgreens is just like any other greens. Add them to salads, sandwiches, avocado toast, smoothies, soups, or bowls. Even a small handful per day can deliver a meaningful dose of these beneficial compounds. So to recap, broccoli microgreens may help support reduced inflammation, detox pathways, gut health, hormone balance, and cellular protection, all from a plant that takes less than a week to grow. Tiny food, huge potential impact. And honestly, foods like this remind us that sometimes the most powerful health tools are also the simplest ones. If you want, I can also show you how to grow broccoli microgreens step by step at home. It's actually easier than most people think. Go to ameliaislandmicrogreens.com/101 or click the link in the comments for this free masterclass using my 14 years of microgreen knowledge. Now that you know how powerful microgreens are, you may be wondering where you can grow them. Check out this video to find out.